Follow the steps on how to create an editable text effect like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by inserting a background image. Set the position and crop the image. Press M to create a black rectangle above it. Lower the opacity. Press V for the selection tool, then select and press Ctrl 2 to lock it. Now press T to insert the text. Here I use the Montserrat italic font. Change it to white. Right-click, transform, and select Shear to skew the text. Prepare the appearance panel. Click Add New Fill, then position it below the character. Change color. Add offset path effect. And add transform effects. You can set it like this. Select and duplicate the fill. Change color. Edit transform to be like this. Add fire vector. You can get this for free on Freepik, link in the description. Double-click and change the color to the same as the text. Select, right-click, and bring to front the text. Adjust the position as desired. Double-click to edit text. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.